career that I chose is to become a Title X health educator. This job is being offered through the Comprehensive Community Health Center, and this operates as a community health center that is open to members in the LA County as well as San Fernando Valley. This is a medical center that provides services such as primary care, behavioral health, dental services, optometry, prenatal and pediatric care, and lastly, family education. So they also provide health enrollments, community events, and also health education workshops. And so as a health educator, I would have many responsibilities that have to do with facilitating and planning family workshops and education activities such as presentations, mass marketing, and outreach to members in the community. So some of the responsibilities I would have is to develop and facilitate classes regarding family planning and other reproductive health topics. I would provide service trainings to staff regarding Title X program and family education as well. Along with participating in community events such as health fairs that are happening, I would be working collaboratively with providers and clinical managers to promote utilization of Title X. I would conduct evaluations on activities in order to improve the effectiveness and the efficiency of that program. And lastly, I would be assisting in formulating, implementing policies, procedures, and programs, and also like developing new ones if they're needed. And so this health center is a nonprofit organization where it takes place in 5 different locations. And so as a health educator, my environment would just be traveling to different locations to provide different classes and trainings. And also I'd be attending events throughout the community, so just going to those events as well. The education that's required for this position is having a bachelor's degree in public health, health science, or any related field. They've also asked to have a minimum of 1 to 2 years in experience of teaching groups or classes and having experience in social media, so such as like Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook. And then lastly, it's required that I have experience working with adolescents and low-income diverse populations. So as a Title X health educator, I'm responsible to develop and implement health education in order to provide more awareness of it. So the skills I would need is to have the ability to multitask, have documentation skills, be able to work and seek out to others, and as well as having the ability to use a computer and other software programs such as Microsoft Outlook. Also having the ability to communicate effectively both verbally and in writing, especially since I'll be conducting many like family planning workshops and trainings that it's important to have those skills. Lastly, I would need the ability to just be flexible and be enthusiastic and just having the willingness to work with others. Actually, for one of the requirements, it's oral and written fluency is mandated in either English or Spanish or English and Armenian. So according to the United States Department of Labor, this job's outlook for a health educator from 2016 to 2026 is expected to be a 16% growth rate. So this growth rate will be affected by improving health outcomes and reducing healthcare costs. So, teaching people about healthy behaviors and how to effectively use your healthcare centers and its services. The career path I plan to go toward is just obviously toward the field of health education. And I could possibly go into working at Planned Parenthood and be able to provide my services there. And lastly, I chose this position because I thought it was important not only to myself, but to others in the community to be informed about family planning and other reproductive health topics. When I was researching for careers, I came across this job title, and I've never heard of Title X. And so after doing some more research about what Title X was, I felt that this program was very beneficial, and it came across that it would have a positive impact on others. And so that's why becoming an expert in this would be important, because I'm able to relay this information through presentation outreach activities.